We are on SAP BTP trial. Let's open BAS Business Application Studio. It takes some time to load. It has opened. Let's open the dev space. I have already created the dev space. Dev space was running. I clicked on the dev space. It opened BAS. Now we need to create our project. Let's create the project from template. So there are multiple options here. Let's select SAP Fiori application. Click on next. Now we need to enter some details. But before that, we have to select which kind of application is this. So it is a basic one. Now select none as the data source. As of now, we are not selecting OData or any other thing here. We are selecting none. Now let's click on next. Take some time to load. This is a usual behavior of BAS. Now it shows the view name. We can change the view name to main, and then we can click on next. It has the module name as project 2, application title, namespace is empty. We are changing the application title to first Fiori app. After that, we have namespace. So namespace is basically we write com dot client name with whichever client we are working for. So here we'll put learn. So com dot learn. Now let's click on finish. It is installing all the dependencies. Let's add the project to workspace. Take some time to load. It has loaded. Now in the web app, we have view folder and we have controller folder. View is where we write the UI logic, the XML for UI, and controller is where we write the JavaScript logic. Now let's open Fiori SDK. Basically, it has documentation, API references, samples. Let's select any sample out of these. Let's select tile. Let's select generic tile in this. Let's select launch tile. Now it has multiple tiles. We are picking one generic tile. So we will pick this one, the 1 by 1 one, which is like a square. So we have to copy this code and we need to go back to our BAS and put it inside the view. We can remove this image content as of now. Also, we can change the header and the subheader here. Now let's preview this application. It takes some time to load. Application is loaded. See, we can see the tile. Now let's change the header and the subheader. We can give the header as something like this. This is my first Fiori application we have given as the header. The subheader we are giving learning on SAP BAS. And then let's see our application. So see, it has refreshed. So now let's put something on the press event. So once we press the tile, so I'm writing the press function here. So we can show a message. So let's go to the messages in samples. So we can choose message toast. In message toast, you can see we're clicking on a button and it shows a message toast. Let's check out the code, and here the press event is there. So we copy whatever is inside the press event. So where message and message toast dot show, and we paste it in our press function. Now it has libraries that we need to import. Message toast, so we need to import message toast at the top with comma. We need to specify. Then we also need to pass it inside the function after controller with a comma. We are changing the message here. I'm clicking on a tile to show message toast. Let's see the application. We have to refresh to see the change. It has refreshed. Let's click on tile. It is showing the message toast that we have written.